video we're going mudlarking for old bottles along the beach. These look like either piers or boats, possibly old piers, so there's good potential. Life and soul of the party there, way Andy today. Alright, have to edit that bit out now, I showed too much. Yeah, way Andy today, possibly part of an old pier or a boat there, possibly the pier. Looking for old ginger beers, oh god man, that was swampy. Looking for old ginger beers, cod bottles, and we'll get back to you guys if we get anything good. Andy's had a few whole ones over here. I wasn't here when he found them. There you go, look at that, another bit of a beer there. Top of an old beer, and that's early by the way. Blob top, nice early beer. Bit of driftwood. Yeah, big bit of an old pipe or something. Bit of pottery there. It's like a lid, isn't it? Oh, it's an old wheel. It's a pulley wheel. Check that, an old pulley wheel. Probably off a ship. Probably that one right there. Need to start finding them. Oh. Again, it's blank. Oh, would you believe that? Another blank beer bottle. Gutted. It's just my day for finding full blank stuff, isn't it? It's about 3 or 4 now. Possibly a gin bottle or something like that. Or a monk's wine maybe. But yeah, it would have been a beautiful bottle. Unfortunately it's broken, but gives me hope it's way further in than I was out. So I'll have a wee scout in this area now and see if we can find anything that's actually whole. But yeah, sadly broken. Just so much stuff in here. If a wee wander down in the water. I don't want to get too deep. There's a jam pot as well, look at that. Plenty of jammy stuff in here. Jam pot. Won't be taking it with me, leave it there for somebody else. Wee flounder there just shot off in the water. Don't know if I caught that in camera. Again, it's blank. What a gutter, eh? Oh no, I need to pick that up, get it bagged and get it binned. Modern iron brew bottle. It's actually easier to walk in the water here than it is in embankments. I'll look and see this is whole as well. Doesn't look to be anything on it. But it is a whole beer bottle. Maybe a chemist or something. Lovely tablespoons, eh? Take that. The beer bottle's blank. But this on the other hand looks like a lovely raw colour of aqua. See it? Look at that. Tablespoons. Going to take that. Very nice. Lovely tablespoons bottle. Original cork in it. River mouth. I'm not finding a lot. Plenty of fallen and broken trees. This is on a postcard for that one. Both in the water now. That's what mudlarking's all about. You're not going to get in, you're not going to find. It's as simple as that. Andy's in the water. You are more likely to find stuff in the water here. It's still got a good bit to go, so I'm going to get myself in the water at some point and see what we can get. You can see I'm jumping from pier to pier. But in the meantime, I'm looking for bottles. Not having much luck. But I'm looking for bottles. Generally these are the places where you come across them just stuck in the muck. Oh, beautiful little barge, eh? Not much in the way of bottles in here. I'm having fun, but back when we head back, that's when we should get our bottles. We've went way further than what we've ever went before. Yeah, just not a lot of luck in the old bottle scene. Champagne, but it's all. There'll be no embossing on that. That's a champagne bottle, whole. Right, so we go back now. Have a look at the water. Make sure you don't miss anything. You always check the water. Another broken sauce bottle. So we'll just keep walking. That looks like a jam pot. Yep, broken jam pot. Seem to have walked into a bit where there's quite a fair bit of pottery and ash. It's amazing what you can find if you think. Put a bit of thinking into where you're going to go mudlarking. There's potential here for some really, really nice bottles. There you are, check that out. Beautiful old boat, let's have a wee look in it. It's been here a while. Check that out. Old wooden boat, that could be years old, man. Probably left by the dredgers. London! Whitbread London, look at that. Big Whitbread London. Smashed again. Again, I might take that with me and try and make it into a little candle holder. Beautiful crest on that, so it is. That is just such a beautiful crest. An old ship's anchor. Unbelievable. Check that out. What a find that is. What a peach. And I've spotted something further up the beach as well. It's a bit of a walk to get it. I'm taking my chances. It's just going to be a jam pot. I hope not. Because I'll be sick if it is. Yeah, there's definitely stuff up here. Look at that. Full jam pot. That jam pot could have been anything really. Shows that there's stuff up here, but where is it coming from? We just can't seem to find the source yet. I think it's just over the years the embankments are tipping, that all this stuff's just accumulated on the foreshore. There, Glasgow. Maybe see if I can take that with us or something like that and turn it into a candle holder or something like that, because it's about the right height for a candle holder. Antex. Something. Very nice. Nice little green, eh? First full one and a full jam pot there. It does say, obviously we can't do that. Andy's looking at it in the light. I can't show you in the light just to protect the location, because like I said, everybody in the granny will be down looking for it. Antexima. Says Antexima on it. There you go. Lovely little green. No embossing. Still old, but yeah, let's keep going. Bland bottle. Beautiful G&C Moor. Very, very early one as well. Corey's Belfast. That's the first one, right? Lovely Corey's Belfast, which is a cracker. Well done, mate. What a beauty that is, eh? Another Moors? That's an even earlier Moors. Nice blob top early Moors there. G&C Moors.
The Belfast.
And the Belfast aerated water is a mineral water. Let's have a look at it. The Belfast mineral water, York. Some belters there, mate. Well done. Moors is the best for me, this one.